Ready? Let's go. That's it. Try to some pose, open your leg. Look at your martini sometimes. Yeah, good. Great. Right, yeah. Good. Yeah. Do it with a little angle to not cover your face. I mean, yeah. Amazing, yeah. Your butt completely to your left. Shoulder right down more, break it. Yeah, left hand can be like, that's what I'm talking about. Left hand can come to your hair, like gathering your hair like this. And open, yeah. Face down to the martini. Now in a sudden look at me. Good. Good, okay. Now, give me that martini. I'm going to give you, yeah. Good. Good, gotcha. Martini. Face. You can sit. Face. Great. Your hair to your left. Look at me. With like. Great. Okay. Now you can turn, sit to me, but okay. Now, yeah, good. Face not too much back. Keep it. Look at that mirror. Go a little back and look at that mirror. Yeah, exactly. That leg more open and break it to the back, like this. right hand to the top. Face to your hand and close your eyes and take a deep breath. Yeah, okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Good. Go down. And this hand not too much wide. Break down. Face off to the sky. And close your eyes. Hand, it seems it was reaching your leg, but breaks. Yeah. Good. Now, that knee down, this leg under.
Like this.
Yeah, but don't sit.
Yes.
Try to turn your butt to me and show it to me. And face to the sand a little. Something like this. Great. Close your eyes and a little hold the chair and go back. And open this leg more.
This.
Yeah,
But not
only
on the
open.
chair. Like
Oh
this.
yeah. And go down, face that side this time.
Check.
I know it's a little hard. That hand not too much to your hair. Close your eyes. Great. Face that side to the wall and down. Great. Okay. Rest for a coffee.